Today I am sharing the exact headline hack that totally changed my business. Most LinkedIn headlines are dead on arrival. Look at this. I help a business grow, marketing consultant helping to scale, growth expert driving results. I know this because I was making the same mistake until I learned that I call it pain point pivot. Let me show you my exact transformation. Before I used to write, I help founders build, grow and monetize on LinkedIn. Then I totally changed my approach and now here's what I'm writing. Less conversion rates and no sales meetings. I help P2B founders fix both using the content-led outbound system. And after using this, the results were amazing. I have experienced 300% more profile views, 2-3x higher inbound leads, and even converted a new client just after that. Here's the 3 simple part formula. Identify your prospect's biggest problem, validate it with a relatable scenario, and position your solution as a bridge. Let me show you how you can create yours. The key is to be specific and don't afraid to niche down. So here's a bad example. I help businesses grow. And here's a good example. Struggling to convert cold leads, I help software as a service founders book 10 plus sales meetings a week through strategic outreach. But here's the critical part most people miss. Your headline needs to spark the curiosity and not try to close the deal. Think of it as a first line of a story. They want to just keep reading, and I use this exact formula to generate great results for my clients, build my successful agency, and get qualified leads for myself and my clients. Now it's your turn. Take your current headline, apply this framework, and watch how you will get amazing results. Give this a try and let me know your results in the comments.